chain 6. So we're going to do a little slip stitch like that, and then put your needle in, your hook in, and we're going to do chain 6. She knows how to do this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to form a ring. So, oops, let's see. We're going to bring that into the beginning of the chain and do a slip stitch through. Are you seeing the fingers?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go through. Whoops, I dropped it. Let's see. Go in and pull it through and through. Okay, now that's the end of the ring. We're going to do first round. It says chain 3. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's our first double crochet. We're going to do 15 more inside the ring. So that's 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now do 7, 8, and if you need more room, pull up, just push them out of the way. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, almost done, 14, this is the 14th, and now comes the 16th. Okay, so that's, oh wait a minute, did I say, now I'm miscounting, okay. All right, and then you're going to attach it. All right, stop. We're going to do a bunch.
I started.
Okay, and then attach it to the top of the beginning one, and with the slip stitch. And that's the end of round 1. It's the first 3 that we did, and then 15 double crochets, which makes 16 double crochets. Okay, now we're going to start round 2. Round 2 is chain 5, and then do, all right, so let's do that, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now for this round, you're going to do 1 double crochet and then chain 2. And it's going to be right into each space. So we're going to do a double crochet into the first space. 1. And then it's going to be chain 2. So for every one you do, you chain 2. Okay, now we're going to go into the next space, which is right there. So we're going to do a double crochet into this next space. And then chain 2. That's all it is, all the way around. Double crochet into the next hole. And chain 2. So that's double crochet, chain 2, all the way around. And then you're going to attach when you get to the end. Double crochet, I'll do one more. And then chain 2. This is what it's going to look like. See, you've got every hole is going to have a double crochet, chain 2. The next hole, double crochet, chain 2. Okay, stop. I'm going to go all the way through so she doesn't have to listen to it again. Okay, so I've gone all the way around the circle, and what I have is, including that first 3 chain, I'm going to have 16 of these little stick things. And now I counted them and they're right, so I'm going to close this in the third, 1, 2, 3, on the top of the beginning with a slip stitch. And that's the end of round 2. Now and count these, make sure there's 16 of them. Now round 3 says 1 slip stitch in first chain space. Well, here's my first chain space right here. So I'm going to do a slip stitch. Go in, pull the cord through once, pull it through twice. That's a slip stitch. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I gotta get the third. Okay, that's chain 3, and now 2 double crochets in the same spot. So, because we're going to want to do a group of 3. So I've got 1, so now do double crochet into this hole. That's 1 double crochet. And then I'm going to do another one, which is going to make 3 sticks in there. 1, 2. Okay, so that's my 3. And then I'm going to do, in between each of those, let's see, it says 3 double crochets and chain 1. So I'm going to do a 1 chain, and then I'm going to do 3 double crochets in this next big hole. So there's going to be 3 double crochets all the way around. I'll do a few for you here. There's 1, I do 1, 2, and then a third. And after I finish this third, I'm going to do chain 1. So there's the third, and I'm going to do chain 1 right away. Okay, and I'm going to do that all the way around. So you can watch another one. Okay, 3 double crochets in this next big hole. Whoops. 1. That's 1. Whoops. I've got to do that one again. Okay, let's do it. Around, in. Okay, that's a double crochet. That's 1 double crochet. We got to do 3. Groups of 3. 2. And then 3. And then how many chains? It's going to be chain 1. It's going to be 3 double crochets with 1 chain in between. 3 double crochets, 1, 2.
Why don't you go a little slower, Terry?
Okay. 2. I'm always in a hurry. And then 3. And then what I'm going to do, my chain 1 as soon as I finish this third double crochet. And then chain 1. Okay, 3 double crochets in this next big hole. 1. I'm going quick because I think she knows the stitches, but we'll slow it down. There's 1, 2, and now I've got to do 1 more. 3. That's better. And then chain 1. And then this next hole. 3. Here's 1 double crochet, 1, okay, 2, gotta do another one, 3, and now I finished my third, so I do my chain 1, and then I do a next hole, 3 and 1 chain, 1, that's 1 in there. I've got to do 2 more. That's 2 and 1 more. Here's 3.
All right, I'm going to come in close.
Okay.
No
Chain 1.
And then go very slow.
Okay.
Okay, start. Wait a minute. All right, go ahead.
Okay, 3
Slow,
double crochets. 1. That's 1 double crochet. 2. In the same hole. I still 1 more to go and before I do the next chain. 1. Okay, that's 3 double crochets. See? And now I need a chain in between. I'm going to do 1 more and then we're going to stop for this round. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. And don't forget, as soon as you do those 3, chain 1. Okay, stop. So we have 16 groups of 3s with 1 chain in between, and we hooked it back together on the top. And now we're going to do row 4, which is 1 slip stitch in each of the first 2 double crochets. Well, here's the first one, here's the second one. So we're going to go into the first one and bring a slip stitch. That's all you do. Go into the second one and bring a slip stitch. Okay, now it says chain 3. So it's, let's see. Wait, let's start that one over again.
Okay.
Okay, so we have the end of round 3. We're ending up with 16 groups of 3 with 1 chain in between. And now it says 1 slip stitch in each of the first 2 double crochets and a chain 1. So this is the first double crochet. We're going to do a slip stitch in. Oops. Okay, that's, and then another one, let's see, and then we're going to do another one, which is going to be here, and then the chain one. So we're going to go 2 slip stitches and a chain 1. And now it says 1 single crochet around the first chain. So here's the first chain space. We're going to go double crochet, let's see, I'm sorry, 1 single crochet. So we're going to do a single crochet here. Instead of going around the yarn, we're going to go straight in and do a single crochet like that. And then this is where we do the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go into the next big chain space, which is here after the third, and we're going to do a chain 6 after that. So we're going to do a chain 3 here. I'm sorry, we're going to do a single crochet and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's your large one. And now we're going to do 3 spaces of 3 and 1 6. So now we've done the big one, so we're going to do a 3 again. We're going to go do a single crochet, and now we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's a 6 and a 3. So now in this next space after the 3, we're going to do another 3 chain. So it's going to be, that's the single crochet, and then 1, 2, 3. So we've got a 6 and 2 3s. We need 1 more set of 3s. So we're going to do a single crochet and another set of 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Now we've got a 6, a 3, 3, 3. So now we're going to do a 6 again. We're going to go single crochet into this next big hole, and we're going to do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to have to do 3 3s before we do our next 6. So we're going to do a single crochet and a 3. 1, 2, 3. That was 1 3. Now we're going to do our second 3. We're going to do our single crochet and a 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our second 3. We need 1 more. Single crochet and 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can see we've got a 6 and we have 1, 2, 3 chains of 3. So now we're going to do our 6 again. So we're going to do a single crochet and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to do 3 3s. So we're going to go into this space, do a single crochet and a 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we do a second set of 3 after a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. And now we have to do the third set of 3. So we're going to do a single crochet and our third, 1, 2, 3, third chain 3. So now we've got a 6 and 1, 2, 3, 3. So now we're going to do our 6 again. Just keep going around the circle like that. We're going to do a single crochet. Oops, wait a minute. We're going to go single crochet. There we go. And a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we got to do 3 3s. So we're going to go in, single crochet, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 1 set of 3. All right, we're getting to the end here. So we're going to do, that's 1 set of 3. We're going to do our second set of 3. Do your single crochet, and then 1, 2, 3. Now look, we already had this first set of 3 from the beginning, so we just attach this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, with the slip stitch. And that's the end of the round. We're going to have a 6 and 3 threes, a 6 and 3 threes, a 6 and 3 threes, a 6 all the way around. So we're going to have 4 corners now. Cut.
Okay.
Okay, the last round, we're only going to be working in these little chain spaces now that we made. So it says single crochet around the first 3 chain space. That's this space right here. We're going to do a single crochet. So we go in, grab the yarn, come through, finish up your single crochet. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do 2 double crochets in that same place. So we'll have a total of 3 because we had that 3 chain. So that's our second stick. And now we're going to do a third one. Okay, so every 3 chains gets 3 double crochets. And now we're up to the 6. And every 6 is going to get 5, 2, 5. 5 double crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochet. So I'm at the 6, so I'm going to do 5, 2, 5. So here's 1 double crochet, 2, it's in that big chain space. That's 2, 3, this is making the corners, 4, okay, now here's 5, and if you run out of room, just squeeze them all together. There's 5, and in between those, that's a set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2, and now I'm going to do another 5. So move it out of the way, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, 5, and that's what I'm finished with that chain 6. And now now I'm going to go to the next chain 3, and I'm going to do 3 in there, right in here. So it's going to be double crochet. So grab your yarn first, get your double. That's 1, 2, 3. All right, go to your next 3 and do 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And I have another 3 before I get to my 6. There's the last 3. So it's going to be 3 inside of the 3. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm at my 6. And in my 6, that's another corner of the square, I'm going to do 5, 2, 5. So it's going to be 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to put 2 chains in between. So chain 2, 1, 2, and now another 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to stop here, but I'm going to show you what we got. That made the corner.
Put it on the table, Terry, flat.
Okay, so this was a 3. This was a 5, 2, 5. 3, 3, 3, corner, 5, 2, 5. And then you're going to go 3, 3, 3, corner, 5, 2, 5. 3, 3, 3, corner. See, it's going to go around like that. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.